Where does the Joe nigga at?
I don't know.
I just want to fucking do the air shit real quick.
Yo, Ryan. We're gonna pass by Wawa, fill up on air real quick.
We're gonna go to Wawa. Yeah. Alright. Sounds good to me. It's open.
I bet. Looks like we're going to IKEA. Small little IKEA run.
Small little.
I think I forgot to warm up the whip.
It's fine. It's a BQ.
It'll keep running.
It'll keep running. Oh, pressure's fine. This shit moves over there.
I can smell those tires. They low-key smell a little cooked too. That's funny as hell.
Shit don't work?
Yeah, it does.
Oh.
It doesn't go down.
It doesn't go down, huh?
How about this one? It should stretch out. Yeah, we just stopped to fill up some air in the tires for a quick IKEA run, you know? We gotta get some furniture from IKEA. Nigga said 40 PSI.
Wait, no, what's it at right now?
19.
Damn.
20.
Damn, I'll spin these shits on 19.
19 PSI is crazy, bro. Too much, bro.
Ah, fuck it.
This nigga said fuck it and went 40.
We gotta try setups, different setups.
40.
You know, I would never
Go one tire 40 and then the other tire 30.
That's true.
You imagine?
Song that really showcases Pop Smoke's unique flow and energy. Here's Invincible.
Fireworks going crazy. Look at them. IKEA closes in 10 minutes. We gotta be there fast. Drive slow over there and then we'll see when we get there. Cause we're close by.
I don't hear anything.
Yeah, cause it doesn't sound bad. I think we should be fine. Damn, I don't think we could pick up the furniture no more.
Yeah, we can. We got room.
We can still pick up furniture? Alright, bet. We're chilling. The tire ain't
Nah,
popped.
people. I haven't been back here in a long time.
Damn. Would you manchi this or not?
Would I? Yeah. Okay. I would try to at least.
Yeah. Word?
Yeah, and it's pushing forward, so.
Okay.
The rear end's way too fucking loose.
It's way too loose?
I don't got no grip, yeah.
Damn.
That's why I keep spinning
I
it.
think 40 might have been too much. Just a tad bit.
You're trying to keep doing the circle. It keeps pushing me.
Word?
Yeah. I don't know why.
Hydro and everything, like
Yeah,
the
you
real
said that,
drift.
yeah.
I peeped that. I was like, oh shit.
Power steering's a fucking bitch.
How was it?
Saw me pulling that hydro entry.
Yo, that was crazy for real, bro.
You saw my hydro pull?
So much water right there when you like slid out, bro. You would have been fine. Right?
Yeah.
You got that nice angle.
Bro, my front end has too much grip.
Yeah, because you're running 245s in the front and 250.
Yeah, that's me being stupid. It's fine.
He filled up the tires, the rear tires to 40 PSI.
I got 40 in the rear, 27 in the front.
Wait, what?
40 PSI in the rear. I don't even know if they can see it on the camera, but that shit is smoking. Yeah, that's crazy. He's about to sit in this bitch, see how it feels.
See some.
You want me to record my reaction or what?
Through the phone, through your camera.
Should definitely try and get some shots from the field. Driving that thing on the street. He's a bad man. He's a bad
About the puddles fucking you up. I could not find it. You gonna let it cool down?
Yeah, I'm gonna let it cool down. It's starting getting hot.
Alright. He's going though.
I don't got a pull. Let me get your phone.
That is a stolen S2000.
Yo, check the VIN on that.
And no S2000 owner drives their car like that, bro. No S2000 owner drives their car like that. That shit is stolen.
I'm like, wait. I'm like, cars get hot.
Yeah, you were pushing it for a bit too, so.
Nothing's leaking.
We're chilling, bro.
You chilling? You're chilling? It's just hot.
I wish I just had a fucking hood prop to hold it, but.
Nah, you chilling, nigga. Just start fanning that shit out. Just go like that.
I saw that shit. That shit was fighting you, huh? It looked like it was fighting you.
That's,
I don't like it.
Yeah.
that's how we cool down our engine, boys.
The second time.
Yeah, I gotta cool this shit down a lot. This shit was just chilling at H. I'm like, yeah.
At 8?
Yeah, I'm like, you know what? What's up?
Fuck it, we'll build a VQ. Once we got money, we'll build that shit. Don't worry about it.
The oil's fine out there. It's just so cool.
Yeah, that's probably all it is.
On a little bit after.
Yeah, they closed IKEA down, so we just started doing this instead. Fuck the furniture.
It was very.
Coño, esta mierda está caliente, bro. What the fuck?
Hood prop ass niggas, bro. What is
Turn off my lights, bro. I'm trying to cool this bitch down as much as I can.
I don't think turning off your lights is gonna work.
Hot, bro.
Yeah, I feel it. This shit's hotter.
Bro, it gets hot. I don't know why.
This should get.
Hotter than your car right now?
Feels like it.
It probably is. Bro.
And it isn't. The gauge says it isn't.
I don't believe it. I'm with temp gauge. Probably fine.
I'm with the temp gauge.
I think the temp gauge would be
I
accurate.
can't get it out.
Look, I'm trying.
I mine.
He's struggling right now. Yo, just spit on it, bro.
Shut the fuck up.
Give it that hawk.
Yeah, niggas definitely got experience in that shit.
I don't know if it was mad for one of his boys in a blue S13 coupe, and I see him at the light just.
Who's Mav?
Yeah, he knows a lot about cars. He's like big into drifting or whatever.
Word.
But then I see this blue S13 coupe, not knowing what it is, just.
I was like, what the fuck is that?
And then after that, I was like, fuck that. I'm gonna get a 240, and then I start getting the 240. You guys already know that story.
Yeah.
And then what?
And then another 240, and then
No, and then I got
And
the
then-
240.
and then the S2K.
Yeah, and then an S2K,
And then
yeah.
the fucking Sentra, and then the fucking
Yo. It is. I enjoy it.
Niggas stop for a quick Wawa run.
But it's expensive to get in.
Goddamn. How much?
A lot.
Don't you rent it?
Nah, I'm gonna buy the stuff to do it.
You buy it?
No, I'm gonna buy it.
I'd rather just rent it.
I'm gonna do it one
You
time.
could rent it.
I'm gonna do it one time, yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna do it over and over.
That's all you, Bobby. That's a drive. You going upstate?
Upstate,
Yeah.
Poconos.
Niggas stop by for a quick Wawa run. End the night.
I'll be like,
Simple.
I can get it from AutoZone. The ball fell out.
Holy shit. Nah, that's hilarious.
I gotta figure a better way to.
It's
Oh, damn,
current,
was it hitting the fucking?
currently
was it rubbing through the
2:49.
light? Nah, I wasn't.
And niggas is trying to figure out where his light went.
Yeah, nah. It's gone. Nah, it's gone. Don't worry.
That's the running, or is that the
That's the turn signal.
oh, the turn signal. Alright, then we're chilling.
Nah.
Oh, look
I'll
who,
fix it. I just gotta.
look who pulled up.
Well, I fucking. We were leaving, and I was ripping it down 109, and then a fucking X5M came up behind it. I'm like, alright. We went all the way down to fucking Walmart. I was chasing that nigga down.
Yeah,
you recorded the whole thing?
I did it. I was just so in the moment. I was like,
Bro,
damn.
we were ripping it. We were ripping it, and then like he went off by Walmart, and I did a U in the fucking. I fucking dumped the clutch, did a U, then.
And I mean, he was like, oh!
And
Nah,
then we
he left.
ran like your BQ activities all night.
Yeah.
That's all we were doing.
Does the car sound too loud now?
Nah, it sounds.
It sounds fine.
Idle's the same.
Sounds fine.
How about when I was coming down?
What, coming down the street?
Nah.
It sounded good to me. It's not as loud.
He ate that stop sign.